Have you ever looked at something that seems totally solid, like a giant steel bridge, and just wondered, is it really perfect all the way through? What if I told you we have a superpower that lets us see inside solid metal without ever cutting it open? It sounds like science fiction, right? Well, stick around, because we're about to uncover exactly how it's done.
Before we start the video, if this content helps you, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. Your support really motivates us.
Really think about that for a second. We trust these massive structures with our lives every single day. So how can engineers be 100% sure there isn't a tiny hidden problem lurking deep inside the metal? You can't just crack it open to check. That would kind of defeat the purpose, wouldn't it?
And this is really the heart of the problem. What we see on the outside is this strong, perfect-looking piece of steel. But what could be hiding on the inside? You could have these tiny, invisible cracks or even little air bubbles that got trapped when the metal was made. You'd never know just by looking at it.
And here's why that's a huge deal. In something that's under a lot of stress, like the wing of an airplane or a high-speed railway track, one of those tiny little flaws can grow over time and lead to a total disaster. So finding them isn't just a good idea. It's absolutely critical for keeping us all safe.
So that brings us back to the big question, right? If you can't see the danger, how in the world are you supposed to find it? We need some way to get a look inside solid stuff. We basically need a superpower.
Well, guess what? That superpower is real. It's called ultrasonic testing. And you can forget about X-rays. This method is all about sound. To make it easy, we're going to call it the echo detective method, because that is exactly what it does. It's like a detective that uses echoes to find clues.
To get how this works, let's start with something you've probably done before. Just imagine you're standing at the Grand Canyon. You cup your hands around your mouth, you take a big breath, and you shout, "Hello?" And what happens a second later? You hear it, "Hello, hello, hello," coming right back at you. That's your echo. Our echo detective works on that exact same principle.
So here's how the detective does its thing. First, a special little tool sends a shout into the metal. Now this isn't a sound you or I can hear. It's at a super high pitch. That sound wave zips right through the solid steel. If the steel is perfect inside, the sound just goes all the way to the other side. But, and here's the key, if that sound hits a hidden crack or a little bubble, bam, it bounces right back, creating an echo. And the tool has a little ear that listens for that echo to return.
And here's the really clever part. Just like in our canyon, the amount of time it takes for that echo to come back tells you exactly how far away the problem is. If you get a super fast echo, well, the crack is probably right near the surface. If it takes a little longer, you know the flaw is buried deep inside the metal. It's like using a tiny stopwatch for sound.
Right, so the machine is getting all these little echo signals back. But what does that actually look like for the person doing the inspection? It's not like they can hear a tiny "hello" coming out of the steel. How do they turn all those echoes into something useful?
They turn it into a map. The machine is smart enough to take all that information about the echoes, how long they took, how strong they were, and it translates it into a picture, a literal map of what's going on inside.
And there are a few different kinds of maps they can make. The simplest one is just a little blip on a screen that shows an echo at a certain depth. But if you slide the tool along a straight line, it creates a side view slice. I always think it looks kind of like an ant farm, where you can see all the tunnels inside. And the absolute coolest one? If you scan over a whole area, the machine builds a top-down view. It's like a treasure map with a big X marking the exact spot of every single hidden problem. How cool is that?
Okay, so our echo detective has this incredible map. What sort of clues are we actually looking for? What are the specific hidden dangers this thing can sniff out?
Well, the detective's clue list is pretty long, actually. It can find those sneaky little cracks we were talking about. It can spot bunches of tiny air bubbles that make the metal weak. It can even find spots where, say, a pipe might be getting thinner from the inside, where nobody could see it. It can even find if a tiny piece of the wrong stuff got mixed in by accident, or if the very structure of the metal itself is weak. It's an unbelievably powerful tool for finding things that are trying to hide.
So this is all really fascinating tech, for sure. But why is this superpower so important? Why does any of this really matter to you and me in our daily lives? It all comes down to one simple thing: safety.
Because of our Echo Detective, we can feel confident that the things holding our world together, the wings on our planes, the beams in our bridges, the pipelines that run under our feet, are solid and safe from the inside out.
And get this, it's not just more reliable, it's also incredibly fast. Using this kind of technology can make inspections up to 90% faster than the old ways of doing things. That saves a ton of time and money, but more importantly, it means people can do their jobs quickly and stay out of dangerous situations.
So, the next time you're flying in a plane or driving across a big bridge, you can think about this amazing invisible superpower. It's working quietly in the background, using nothing more than a simple echo to help protect us all every single day.
It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? If we can use sound to map out the inside of solid steel, what other invisible secrets are out there just waiting for us to figure out the right way to listen?